Welcome to Sweet Life Beat Life. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to connect your Modio tablet to a keyboard. First, make sure both your Modio tablet and the Bluetooth keyboard have sufficient battery charge. Next, power on both devices. For the best initial connection, position your keyboard very close to your tablet, ideally within 3 to 5 inches. This proximity helps ensure a smooth and quick pairing process. Now, on your Modio tablet, navigate to the Settings menu. Look for and tap on the option labeled Connected Devices. Within this section, you'll find Bluetooth. Make sure the Bluetooth toggle is switched to the on position. Your tablet will then automatically begin searching for any discoverable Bluetooth devices in its vicinity, including your keyboard. Once your keyboard appears in the list of available devices on your tablet, tap on its name to initiate the pairing. You might see a pairing code appear on your tablet screen. If so, enter this code on your physical keyboard and press Enter, or confirm it on both devices. After this step, your Modio tablet and keyboard should be successfully connected and ready for use. If you encounter any issues, a simple restart of both your Modio tablet and the keyboard often resolves connection problems. Also, if your keyboard frequently disconnects, verify its battery level. A low battery is a common culprit. For those looking to upgrade their home tech, consider the Shark AI Ultra Robot Vacuum. It offers voice control, self-emptying, and is pet-friendly. Check the description below for a link to this amazing product and other great deals.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.